Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on copper. On the daily chart, copper has formed a shooting star formation while it reverts from the crucial resistance of 821.50. Prices should sustain below the yesterday's low to confirm the correction in the bullish bias. The support for the pair should be around the level of 814, followed by the level of 804 for the session ahead. The stochastic indicator has a bearish crossover as it moves out of the overbought zone, supporting the bearish move. Therefore, a move below the level of 814 should initiate a bearish move towards the target of 804 and 800, and a move above the level of 822 should negate the bearish bias. Hence, we expect copper to trade with a negative bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.